Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road in 2026, you've come to the right place. Today's dash cams offer ultra-clear 4K recording, multiple camera channels, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision, and 24-hour parking surveillance to give you complete peace of mind. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, there's a dash cam here that's perfect for your vehicle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB G980H 4K 3-channel dash cam. The BOTSLAB G980H takes the number 1 spot with its premium combination of video quality, smart features, and full vehicle protection. It records in crystal clear 4K from the front while simultaneously capturing the rear and cabin for complete 3-channel coverage. A responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen makes operation simple, while built-in GPS records your driving route and speed. Voice control allows hands-free operation, and the included 128GB memory card means it's ready to use right out of the box. With advanced night vision, 24/7 parking mode featuring sentry monitoring and time-lapse recording, plus fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, this dash cam delivers outstanding security for every drive. Pros: 4K front recording, 3-channel coverage, 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, voice control, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, excellent night vision, free 128GB memory card, 24/7 parking protection. Number 2. IIWEY N6 Pro STARVIS 2 4-channel dash cam. The IIWEY N6 Pro is designed for drivers who want complete 360-degree coverage. Featuring 4 cameras, it records the front, rear, and both interior views simultaneously for maximum protection. Powered by Sony STARVIS 2 imaging technology, it delivers excellent low-light performance and sharp nighttime recordings. 8 infrared LEDs improve cabin visibility after dark, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and families. Built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a free 128GB memory card complete this impressive package. Pros: 4-channel recording, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, excellent night vision, 8 infrared LEDs, built-in GPS, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, free 128GB card, 24-hour parking mode. Number 3. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam. The BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam combines complete vehicle monitoring with intelligent features and user-friendly controls. Its 4-camera system captures every important angle around your vehicle, while the 3.18-inch touchscreen makes reviewing footage quick and easy. Built-in GPS logs your travel routes, voice control allows safe hands-free operation, and 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers to your smartphone. The included 128GB memory card and reliable parking surveillance make it an excellent everyday driving companion. Pros: 4-camera recording, 360-degree vehicle coverage, 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, voice control, 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, 24/7 parking mode, free 128GB memory card. Number 4. 4-channel 360-degree dash cam. This 4-channel 360-degree dash cam provides complete coverage with front, rear, left, and right interior cameras recording simultaneously. The front camera captures crisp 4K footage, while the remaining cameras record in full HD for comprehensive protection. Integrated GPS tracks your driving information, while the G sensor automatically locks important recordings during sudden impacts. Voice control, night vision, and high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi make daily operations simple and convenient. The included 128GB memory card lets you start recording immediately. Pros: 4K front camera, 4-channel recording, 360-degree protection, built-in GPS, G-sensor emergency recording, night vision, voice control, free 128GB SD card, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Number 5. Vantrue new N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam. Rounding out our list is the Vantrue N4 Pro S, one of the most respected premium dash cams available today. Equipped with Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, it records stunning 4K front video along with high-resolution interior and rear footage. HDR and infrared night vision provide exceptional image quality in challenging lighting conditions, while buffered parking mode captures important moments before and after motion is detected. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and support for memory cards up to 1 terabyte make this an excellent long-term investment for serious drivers. Pros: Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors, 4K front recording, triple camera coverage, HDR and infrared night vision, buffered parking mode, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, supports up to 1 terabyte storage. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcam on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall dashcam, the BOTSLAB G980H stands out with its excellent 4K recording, touchscreen interface, GPS, voice control, and reliable 3-channel protection. For drivers wanting complete 360-degree coverage, the IIWEY N6 Pro and BOTSLAB 4-channel models are outstanding choices. The 4-channel 360 dashcam delivers excellent value, while the Vantrue N4 Pro S remains one of the best premium options for professional quality recording and advanced parking protection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video.